All roads need to be maintained to avoid accidents and wear and tear on any type of vehicle. When it comes to efficient road building and maintenance, there's one piece of the puzzle you can't do without. Our graders are well suited for road construction and maintenance. Backed by their 6.8 litre or 9.8 Powertech engine, they ensure that our graders can tackle the toughest terrains and maintain peak performance. The Powertech engine provides the necessary torque to push through heavy materials, smooth out rough surfaces, and create level roadways. Its robust design and fuel efficiency make it a reliable choice for demanding construction projects. So, if you want to ensure that your road construction projects are completed efficiently and effectively, opt for John Deere Graders with the Powertech engine. Put the Deere to the test.